At Bluejacket, we're a brewery and restaurant located in the Navy Yard ballpark area of Southeast Washington, D.C. So being a brewery, we want to make sure that the food stands up to the amazing beer. We have a really diverse menu. We really pay attention to detail and the quality of foods that we're serving our guests. I've had an ongoing relationship with Chef's Warehouse that's been almost over a decade at this point. There's so many products that we utilize in the kitchen daily, ranging from great meats to spices, as well as olive oils and other specialty items. This is our wood-roasted whole chicken. They're Freebird chickens from Chef's Warehouse, served over shakshuka with roasted olives, as well as a rendition of my mom's potatoes. The tomatoes in the shakshuka are these wonderful canned San Marzanos that Chef's Warehouse carries. Being in DC my whole life, I've really seen the restaurant scene develop into something really special that represents the city in a really unique way. The pantry of spices that Chef's Warehouse offers is really fantastic. I really love using their sumac, which I use in a lot of my dishes, as well as their za'atar, and a ton of their paprika, which is definitely one of my favorites. Most of my dishes are inspired by foods that I ate growing up. My family being from the Middle East, I try to incorporate a lot of those flavors into what I do at Bluejacket. This is our bone-in short rib from Allen Brothers, carried by Chef's Warehouse. It's sous vide for 18 hours and then grilled over the wood fire. It's served with a side of wood-roasted carrots, as well as a drizzle of pomegranate molasses and fresh herbs.